Today is the day. We're going to tear down the ring, the stage, everything at the Wrestle Factory in Philadelphia, and we're going to move it all about an hour north to the Lehigh Valley. It's going to be quite the adventure today, and you're coming along. Ready? Here we go. I'm Mike Quackenbush, and this is Till We Make It, and this is the former auto body shop where we moved the Wrestle Factory 7 years ago. We packed up everything down in South Philadelphia at the ECW Arena, we threw it in a truck, and we moved it up here to the extreme northeast corner of the city. And then we spent months and months transforming this space not just into our training center, but also into a studio to host matches and for live streaming. And we're going to tear it all back down in one afternoon. As the Great Wrestle Factory move gets underway, we're going to speed things up a little bit, but I might pause every once and again to point out a couple interesting details to you. Let's do it. Let's pause for a second. See what we did with the ropes there? We used the hook end of the turnbuckles to hang the ropes from the corner posts. Because the ropes are often one of the last things to go in the ring truck, and because dragging them on the floor will mess up the blue tape job, we hang them until the team in the truck is ready for them. Really heavy pieces, like our stage, have to go in before the ropes can be loaded. This is a convenient spot for them that keeps them off the floor. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Everything that is going with us is finally loaded. It's finally a wrap on Wingate Street, and it's time to close up for the very last time. Up next, we put it all back together in this giant new space up in the Lehigh Valley.
2 hours later.
So, it's about 9 o'clock at night. We've been moving since 10 this morning. The grand error of the day was thinking this move would be done in one trip. But we're waiting on the truck bringing a second delivery, and you can see that the cross beams and some of the frame are behind me. In just a few minutes, the ring is going to start going up here in the building that's 5-10 minutes outside of Allentown. We're in Copley. We just left Philadelphia for the last time about 2 hours ago. The next step is putting the ring up, and that's what I want you to see. So, that's up next. The ring, and then maybe sleep. Okay, hold up. Something I want to point out to you right now. If you look at the ring, you can see there are already 3, maybe 4 canvases in place. The royal blue one at the very bottom, and then a few which are all WWE blue slung over the top. What I've discovered through the years is you are far less likely to rip a canvas when you have several of them bungeed down over the boards and the padding. When I used to have just 1 or 2 canvases, I'd get a rip every 90 days. It required constant patchwork or stitching. But if you roll 5 or 6 deep, it makes a dramatic difference. Now that I've said that out loud, we'll probably rip a canvas tonight. But I stand by my research. Subliminal message number 2. Leave a comment down below. Thank you.
It's about 2 a.m. up here in Copley, and I've just sent the crew home for the night because we are done. We haven't finished, but we are done. Other than an hour-long dinner break earlier, we've been at this since this morning, and the crew's just dropping like flies. So I had hoped we could get this done in one day. That is not proving to be the case. We just gotta call it a night and pick up again tomorrow.
Here's where we're at after 29 hours. The stage is mostly in place, our bleachers are in now, even the pipe and black drape is going up, but there's still some details to attend to, like...
I am tightening the turnbuckles from bottom to top.
Oh, we're even using the hook from the one turnbuckle to do it. So why? Why are we going from the bottom all the way up to the top?
Well, if Mike Quackenbush is to be believed, it is because the cross cables under the ring and the ropes will pull these beams tighter.
Yes.
So when you go from bottom to top, it equalizes everything and makes it more square.
Yeah, it just pulls it right into square. That's exactly it.
Thank you. Nope.
So, let's take it home. At the 33-hour mark, are things perfect? Well, there's a detail or two I might tweak as soon as I stop recording this, but the bulk of the work is done now. And why I thought this could all be done in one day? That I cannot say. This move, however, it is done. Thank you to all my patrons, especially the big dogs, Boone, Doc, Yvonne, Pikio, Nick, Mike, and Timothy. The support of my patrons is what keeps this channel growing, and you can join our community either by clicking the link on screen right now, or the link that is down below in the descriptus. Choose your own adventure. The destination will be the same regardless.